So just a bit of an update. We've started doing the back of the caravan and decided to stop that and start working on the chassis. So I've grinded off the axle, the wheels, removing the wheels, anything that needs to be cut out, because we're gonna replace it with a new support steel sort of thing. So hopefully it'll strengthen the van. But looking at the chassis itself, it's actually pretty solid. So, but still, we're gonna clean it up. So that's
steel.
But still,
Yeah.
steel.
Can't hear anything. You're gonna have to tell me what to do.
All right, so you're gonna grind off the hinges. That's what I need to do.
So am I doing this bit?
Yeah, that's it.
Am I yelling?
No.
So that way?
Yeah.
It's not gonna get me. Oh yeah, this is going well. Like that?
Yeah.
Ah! Ah! Oh yeah.
Just hold it. Just hold it.
What if I catch the van on fire?
Just go up and down, up and down. Not too fast.
I really can't turn it on. I'm not very good at this part.
Up and down.
That way? Ah!
How's it go?
Smells like sparklers. We're ripping up stuff.
Ripping up stuff.
We're ripping up the floor so we can access the chassis. Is that right?
Yeah. And Alright, just trying to get this fridge out of here. So I had to take a few things out so they can fit through the door. Apart from that, yeah, we're just gonna keep going and do the rest of it and clean up a bit.
We're not rich people, because we'd be wrecking people's bits.
That thing right there
It's
is a
still not coming out though.
pain in the ass.
Muscles.
Whoops.
I think it wants to. No, that's the nail there. Why are you telling me to bash that bit? Loser. I've been with this before.
Try.
This bit.
Try. Yeah, try that. Hey.
Hang on. I'll do this bit. Hard shoes. Oh, maybe I'll go down ways.
Hey!
There it is.
Hey! She's done it.
That's my done for the day. Don't, you're gonna scare me. Go
What are
away.
you doing?
Getting a huntsman. I can't work in these conditions. The compensation, because it'll make me go through the floor. Don't. Oh, I thought you were gonna scare me.
You get enough there?
Ah! Where'd it go? Oh yeah, it's there. Go, you bastard. Oh, move! Move! Okay.
It's there
See it?
somewhere.
I can see it. I can see it moving. It's going along the beam.
That's it.
Well, it's coming.
Where?
No.
There?
Gross. Don't go close, yuck.
That'll be right.
I hope it's not going to be alright. Actually, it's only
cat.
one. Get off, you bugger. We are trying to get the fridge out, and by trying to get the fridge out, we've had to rip out everything else around it because we can't get it out. Yes. Basically, we're gutting everything. Everything is going.
Everything around here.
Everything is going. We've put up some support beams.
One.
A support
Two.
beam. Oh, two. We got two.
Oh, that one's just sort of hanging on. Yeah.
So the van doesn't collapse on us, hopefully.
Actually, I didn't get that one. Do it again.
What?
I'm joking. It's alright.
Now what? This one?
Yeah.
That one. That one's hanging on by a thread. Ah. Fun part.
I'm gonna rip this fridge out of the socket.
Out of the socket? Is that what a fridge cavity is called?
I don't know. Alright,
Out of the floor, maybe?
without hurting myself.
Yeah, after that. Look at it.
There it is. Look at this bad boy.
She's out.
It's done.
Now what?
Now what?
Is that going to fit out the door?
How's that going in here?
It's not going to fit out the door. Is it too wide? Okay, we'll do that after. Maybe we'll put it through the floor.
Alright, I think I can drag it through.
Oh god, I thought that was another spider. I was about to run. There's a spoon.
Where?
We found a knife and a spoon.
Oh, there you go.
Let's start a cutlery set.
Let's see if we can fit. This is going to be interesting.
Oh look.
What's that? Whoa! Caravan handbook.
What?
What?
How old is that?
Oh, that's a different one.
CIL. It's who our other van was with.
Oh, is that the...
Insurance handbook. We didn't get that with our new van. And how old
Oh,
that is.
look at the caravan there. This got a little balcony thing.
It's like a train.
Yeah.
Look at the van. Look at the car towing it.
Wow.
Table gas stove with grill.
There's no date on it. Wow.
Okay. Dear Caravaner.
Wow. Well, there you go.
How cute. I think you're fine. I just prickled myself. Nice piece of lino.
Yep. Nah, I think we can just leave it there.
It's stuck. Let's leave it.
So how are we going to take it out though?
Yeah, I don't know how it's going to fit that door. Maybe.
Where's the tape measure up, right?
I don't know. Down there.
Alright.
Yeah.
So the door.
Here's the tape measure I'm blending in with. He's only 550. 530.
500 to get it really
Okay, that's fun.
500, and the fridge is 600
Told you.
that way. Yeah, man.
What if we take the door off? No, that's not gonna work.
Yeah, we can take the door off. I'll just. How do I get?
Measure it that way.
That surprised me.
Maybe we can flip it on its back. We take the door off.
510.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to take 530. So you're gonna have to take the door off and this bit. Maybe.
Yeah.
Miller's yelling out.
The door is 530. Yeah, that's just right there.
Okay.
All right.
Door off?
Yeah. Hey. Just open up a bit. Open up a bit.
Looks so different. The spaces, you can actually sort of visualise it a little bit more without those cupboards and that in. So.
Anyways, that's it for now.
Got to be done, a few hours.
Yeah. Got rid of this fridge, stupid fridge. Started pulling out ripping out the flooring. That's gone.
Cupboard gone. That's so different though, because it was right here, so as soon as you walked in.
Yeah.
Whereas we're going to have like a little bench and then the cupboard on that side, so it'll be a bit more open.
Yeah, that's it. Legit. Yep.
Cool.